Let's look at the superpowers of npm exec or npx. So you've been on a project that has, let's say in this case, the wp-env as a dependency, right? So that's a local development environment. Now, unfortunately, it only includes commands for start and test in this case. So what if I wanted to, let's say, stop the environment? Now here comes the npm execute. So instead of adding a custom script here, we can actually use a built-in feature of npm called exec, which is going to look into the node modules folder under the bin and make all of these binaries available for direct execution. So in this case here, we can say npm exec wp-env and then any of the commands that we want to run. There's also a shortcut for this. So instead of doing the exec, the full command, you can actually do x. So npm x and then wp-env stop, and you'll see that's the same thing. Now, in addition to this, the npm x is still available. It is now just calling npm exec behind the scenes. So if I was to look at where this binary is and what does it do, we can actually pull this up. And you see here, it just loads the npm library and then executes it from there. Alternatively, it actually falls back to your globally installed packages. Another cool feature of this is that you can actually run commands that are not part of your dependency tree. So if I was to, let's say, do WordPress create block, when I run this, it's going to actually go out and fetch this dependency. Now, if I do this with npm exec, the same thing happens. So it starts with local dependencies under your node modules folder under the .bin. If that's not resolved, then it falls back to your globally installed binaries. And if that's not found, then it will actually attempt to install this from the web. So this is a really cool feature, allows you to run all kinds of helper scripts. We'll explore the powerful npm features in the Modern WordPress Fast Track course. So go ahead and check it out. Hope to see you there.